Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Yo Antah Pravishya Mama Vachamimam Prasuptam Sanjeevayatyakhila Shakti Dharasvadhamna Amyamscha Hastacharana Shravanatvagadin Pranam Namo Bhagavate Purushaya Tubhyam Pranam Namo Bhagavate Purushaya Tubhyam Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Balam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopaakarotam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Sandhi session. We are in Swara Sandhi. We have seen three up till now. First one we saw was Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, when the Varnas in a similar pattern, then there Dirgha happens, like and will come, then A would happen. Then we saw something called as Guna Sandhi, that after if the other alphabets would come, the changes that would happen in it. Then we saw the Vriddhi Sandhi. After or A, if the Dirgha Swara is coming, A, I, O, O, then the changes that happen into it. So we have seen some homework from first, I think I've taken 4 chapters this time, not the 3. So we'll first see the answers to that, and then let us go ahead. So I'll just go to our WhatsApp group where we have posted. Just give me a minute. Okay, let us start first. Let me put this on. Okay, as always, we'll go with the alphabetical order and call each a name, and then we will solve all the homework of Vriddhi Sandhi. Anilji, Cha plus Eva.
Chaiva. Plus A is good. I.
Correct. Chaiva. Plus A is equal to I. Arunaji Balamma has switched off the camera. Rajkumari Maji, the next one. Pashya plus Etam.
Pashyatam.
Pashyatam. Yes, Pashyatam. Plus A is equal to. Oh, okay. Good, Balamma. Good.
Thank you.
Rajkumari ji, Maji. The next one, Tatha plus Eva.
A plus A, Tathaiva.
Tathaiva. A plus A will become I, Tathaiva. Anybody is remembering the verses? Chaiva, Pashyaitam, Tathaiva.
Mamaka Pandavaschaiva.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam.
Yes. Tathaiva.
Tathaiva Mahatim Chamum. Rudhan Drupada Putrena.
Yeah. So it's all in the first few verses only in the first chapter. So I think now you can see through what is happening. Okay, so now we can see through how the Sandhi is happening. And probably Vriddhi Sandhi is now easy to guess because the possibility is only of I and au. So whenever this is coming, then our antenna should alert like chaiva. So what would have happened over here? So we will see some more. Next is Gita Murliji. Sahasa plus eva.
Sahasaiva.
Sahasaiva. Anybody getting the verse?
सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्तः
अन्यन्त
सशब्दस्तु
Sahasaiva.
मूलो
मूलो भवत्
Yes. Sahasaiva abhihanyanta sashabdastu mulo bhavat. Very good. Very good. Next one minute. I just mute also. I get the alphabetic correctly. Okay. Hamsa Nandini ji. The next one. Hatva plus etan.
Hatvaitan. A plus A, I.
Yes. Hatva is and etan's a. I will happen. Hatvaitan. Very good. Verse.
पापमेवाश्रये तस्मात् हत्वैता
Pavamevashtedasman Hatvaitan. So now we are able to see through that word Hatvaitan. So Hatva, those who have done the Sanskrit class first, Hatva, we have seen this as Tvanta. So where you have done one action and then you have gone to another action. So Hatva, having killed, and then what has happened. Good. So now we should be able to see through the words. Okay. Then comes Himabindu's canvas of Indiraji. Indiraji. Narakaya plus eva.
Naraka yaiva.
Mm-hmm.
Naraka yaiva.
Naraka yaiva. Together. Naraka yaiva. Naraka yaiva. So how will the equation go?
It is, we have Narakaya plus eva. So the A becomes I.
So A plus A is equal to I. Naraka yaiva. And
Ta
the word
plus I. Taiva.
correct. Anybody getting?
Sankaro narakayaiva.
Yes.
Kulasnanam kulasya.
अङ्कुलस्य च
Yes, very good, very good. See, all this is in the first chapter. Everybody open the books to get the verses, search. So this is like a very interesting job that you search, like how as a kids we had those crosswords where we have to find the words and circle them. So something like that, you can go ahead and find the words to circle that, okay, you found this Sandhi right now. And we know the answers are all in the first, the starting answers are all in the first chapter itself. Okay. Lakshmi ji. Next one. Iha plus eva.
Is it Iheva?
Correct. Ihaiva. Ihaiva. Anybody wants any word to be written and shown, please let me know. I have not written any of the answers. But any doubts, just stop the class anytime and ask that how to write this particular word. Ihaiva. Ihaiva. Verse.
इहैव तैर्जितसर्गः येषां साम्ये स्थितं मनः.
Correct. Yes, ihaiva tayajikasarga. Okay, let's go ahead. Interesting. Now all this is becoming now. And we able to see through. Okay, Lataji. Lataji, next verse for you. Cha plus etat.
चैतत्
Chaitat. Chaitat.
A plus A is I, so न चैतत् विद्मः कतरन्नो
No
गरीयः.
gariyaha. So where we have gone, now we have entered our second chapter, right? We have entered from this point in second chapter. Very good. Chaitat vidmah kataranno. Very good. Okay. Manjula ji. Yatva ji. Next. Cha enam. Have you
Oh, sorry, I'm not unmuted. Chainam. So cha plus a plus a plus nam. Atha chainam nityajatam.
And so many Chainams are coming in the
Yeah.
chapter, right? So could
Yeah.
you say few of the verses where all Chainam is coming? And you can quote the verse number 2 point whatever, so that others who are not knowing, they would be able to spot it.
One is I can remember 26. Athachainam nitya jatam nityam va manyase mrutam. This is chapter 2.
26.
I
Then?
had written, but then I deleted. There were two more.
Anybody else?
Enam veti hantaram yaschainam manyate vrutam. I think it's chapter, I think verse 12. Let me check. Sorry, verse 18.
Okay.
Okay.
So now
Nachainam kledayantyapah.
Nachainam kledayantyapah. So
Kledayantyapah.
that's
I
around
think it's
20 something.
2.23.
All those verses from 2.11 till 2.25 are amazing, and we'll get a lot of sandhis out over there. Good. So let's enjoy chapter 2 as a sandhi aspect as well. Good. Radha Krishnan ji, na plus enam.
Na plus enam. A plus a nainam.
Nainam. So any verse? Very good. Yes. So 2 point what? Nainam chindanti shastrani.
2.23.
Also 2.26 also has in the second line.
Yes. Nainam. No plus enam. Okay. Next, let us go ahead with our journey. Padma Bhaskaran ji. Viditva plus enam.
Viditvainam.
Viditvainam. Okay.
A plus A, I.
A plus A, Viditvainam. Verse?
Tasmadevam viditvainam.
Tasmadevam.
2.25.
2.25. Tasmadevam viditvaini. Very good. Good. So we are going good, I feel. Next, Pushpaji. Pushpaji, Bhoga plus Aishwarya.
Bhogaishwaryam.
Bhogaishwarya. So Bhogaishwarya. On the G, there will be two matras. Bhogaishwarya. Then verse?
Bhogaishwarya prasaktanam tayapahita chetasam.
Yes, one more Bhogaishwarya is there.
Bhogaishwarya gatim prati. That is the 2.43.
Yes,
Also
2.43 and 4.4.
Also Kriya Vishesha Bahulam Bhogaishwarya gatim prati 43.
Yes.
43
So
and
we
44.
have. Yes. So those who have not figured out verse with the answers, you can go and mark and see where and how the word appears in a sandhi format. So once you see that, it becomes easier when you are able to identify. Okay, Shri Vidyalakshmi ji, Jnanam plus etena.
Jnanam etena.
Jnanam
Jnanam
etena.
etena. Yeah.
No.
Jnanam etena. Yeah,
This is
jnanam
a
etena.
This is a googly. This is just.
Yeah.
No, this is no sandhi.
It is not
Jnanam,
sandhi.
it is not a
not
sandhi.
sandhi.
Oh.
It is matra jnanam etena.
Correct. Simple Gunita Ma, half ma is there and A has come. So half ma plus A is me.
Me. Jnana me tena.
Jnana me tena, not mai tena.
No,
Like
A. One matra.
Yes. Why it is not a sandhi? It is a Gunita Akshara. It is not jnana ma plus etena. Okay. So. This is our word. This half ma and A will join to form only me. If it was jnana ma and A tena, then we can say A plus A is I. But it is not like that. So this is not existing. The word is not there. So this is our simple Gunita Akshara. Like how we did K plus A, K plus A, Ka, like that. M plus A, me. It is a simple Gunita Akshara. It is not a sandhi. It is not jnana ma plus etena. If it was jnana ma plus etena, then jnana maitena. But
Nine.
The jnanam, like that word is not existing
Okay.
only. Jnanam is the word. So we have to be very clear whether it is a Gunitakshara given. So the answer was already there. It was jnanam plus etena. Answer is there that it is a halantama. So we'll have to make it only as a Gunitakshara. Okay, let's the class go ahead. Okay, let us see. Just give me a minute. Let's see these tomatoes. Mostly with the Lakshmi Ji finishing, right? Okay. Now one is the na plus 80.
It will become 90.
Correct. 90. This is a Sandhi. Na plus 80. 90. Double on 90. And a reverse remembered?
Naiti mameti sorjuna.
Yes.
Yes. Number?
Number.
Chapter 4. Probably
Naiti mameti sorjuna.
Deham punarjanma naiti mameti sorjuna.
So a number?
It's 9 in chapter 4.
4.9. Okay, so those who have to search, go ahead with that. Then Brahma plus Eva. I have to say the name, right? The last name is, I think, Vasanti ji. Yes, Vasanti ji. Brahma plus Eva. No, you have to unmute Vasanti ji.
Brahma plus Eva. Brahmaiva.
Correct. Brahmaiva. Brahmaiva. So, Brahmai. Hai will have the two matras on top. Brahmaiva. Verse?
How you will write? How you will write?
Yes, how to write. Brahmaiva. Anybody remembering the verse? Those who don't know, memorize Gita also should be knowing this verse.
4.24.
Tena gantavyam.
Brahmaiva tena. 4.24.
Yes, 4.24.
24.
Brahmaiva tena gantavyam brahmakaranam. Okay. Once I stand, then the class will go, okay? Okay, so now we have completed the whole order. We'll go back to Anilji now for splitting the Sandhis. Chainam.
Mine is same one. Earlier I did the Sandhi, now it is which is cha plus enam.
Correct. Cha plus enam. Cha plus enam. Chainam. Next. You can read, don't have to get the alphabetical order. Rajkumari ji. Naivam.
Na evam.
Na plus evam. Naivam. Very good. Very good. Hamsanandini ji. Nainam.
Na plus enam.
Na plus enam. Very good. Very good. Gita Murli ji. Karmaiva.
Karma plus eva.
Correct. Karma plus eva. Indira ji. Chitvainam.
Chitva plus enam.
Chitva plus enam.
Chitva plus enam.
Good, good. So now all these verses with the references. Chainam, Naivam, Nainam, Karmaiva, Chitvainam. We have scholars over here.
Atha chainam
2.2.
nityajatam.
Correct.
Two
nityam
point
Atha
two.
chainam
manyate.
nityajatam.
2.26 for Chainam and Naivam.
Yes, correct. Next.
2.23 for
Nainam.
Nainam.
Yes.
Saji.
Say the verse Nainam.
Nainam chindanti shastrani, Nainam dahati pavakah.
Correct. Yes. Next.
Chapter 3, 3.20 for Karmanaiva.
Karmaiva.
3.20.
Verse.
Karmanaiva hi samsiddhim astita ajanakadayah.
And Karmaiva.
Karmaiva
कर्मैव तेन गन्तव्यम्
Karmaiva tena gantavyam. Brahma karmasu. Okay. And Chitvaina.
it's chapter 4, 4.2. 4.42.
Which is?
Chitvainam samshayam yogam atishthotishta bharat.
Excellent. So others, please go and refer, open the book, search the words and see the words through the verses. Then the understanding will increase and Gita also can be enjoyed. Now, without spending much time, let us get into our new Sandhi today.
Sorry, Varsha, I have a
Yes.
question. What
Yes.
does enam mean?
Okay, so in the vibhaktis, we have done, right? Etat shabda. So we have Pullinga, Napunsaka, Strilinga. Now, do you have your Dhatu Rupavali with you? Shabda Rupavali, Dhatu Rupavali book. Okay. Now just go to Etat Shabda Pullinga, Etat Shabda Napunsakalinga. Unmute yourself and read. You can read first Pullinga, Etat Shabda.
Oh yeah. Eshah etau ete, etam enam, etau enau, etan enan. So that. Etan.
Then,
okay.
And go for the Napunsakalinga.
Napunsakalinga is oh yeah, sorry. Yeah. Etad, ete, etani, etad, enat, ete, ene, etani, enani.
So, after this, both the words are going to be same. Okay. So when we have a confusion, what it would be? So normally, like how we have done our phala shabda, phalam phale phalani, an phalam phale phalani, prathama and dvitiya. So when that ni comes, we understood that it is a napunsaka word. Okay. So same thing has happened over here. So now our word enam lies where? Go for the Strilinga word also. Esha.
Oh, okay. That is Esha, ete, etaha, etan, etam, enan, ete, ene, etaha, enaha.
So these are all the words that are going to come for the word this, which is close over here. So as per the thing would change, like now I'm having a bottle near me. So this is Kupi. Kupi is like a Nadi Shabda. So it is a Strilinga. So I can say Esha. Or if I have, this is a book. Book is an Napunsakalinga. Pustakam. Duradhvani is Strilinga. I'm searching if I have a glass anywhere, but I'm not having. But a glass, that's a Pullinga. So Eshaha cha shakaha. So this, where it is over here. So when that, we have to point out that this is a kupi or phone or whatever. So that is will be in Prathama. But when that is an object, so when it is a subject, it is Prathama. When that becomes an object, so then that enam, etan, that will happen where that is the object in a sentence. So it is a Dvitiya Vibhakti and it is Bahuvachan. Are we clear?
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
So our Ratanam has to go on, which we will begin after our Sandhi sessions. those who have not joined Vibhakti and are wondering what, then it is like a form of a word where in English we use prepositions, right? I am going from Kerala to Mumbai. So then from and to, they are like our prepositions, correct? So like that in Sanskrit, these prepositions are embedded in the word itself by certain rules. So that that word and that preposition are put in together. So for if I have to say like from Kerala, then Kerala taha. Okay, if you use the word Kerala taha, but there are for the word there are some genders. It is masculine, feminine, or neuter gender. Then this suffix that's going to get added to denote from, that word would be changing. And to Mumbai. So Mumbai Nagarim. So I didn't say Mumbai. So if I'm going from Mumbai, then I would say probably Mumbai Taha. And then Kerala Nagarim, or whichever I have to go. So then this prepositions that are getting, that denotes from, to, of, for, above, under, for what purpose, or even apostrophe s. So this is called Vibhakti. So now there is a word called etad, which will be in masculine. So if, like I said, the kupi is a strilinga word, chashaka, the glass, is a pullinga word, pustakam is a napunsaka. Then this etad word itself will have different endings according to what gender it is. And what we have to say, whether I'm making, when I'm pointing kupi that this is a bottle, then that is going to be in the first case. But to the bottle, I'm doing something, that would be the second. Or by the bottle, I'm doing something, then it's the third. For the bottle, I'm doing, then that is the fourth. From the bottle, I'm taking water, that from will be the fifth case. Bottle's cap, when I'm using apostrophe s, that could be the sixth case. And on the bottle, I'm putting my hand, or the bottle, but for the table, it will get on the bottle and putting my hand. Then that would be the seventh case. So like that, the cases are denoting those prepositions according to how you're using to, from, for, apostrophe s. Accordingly, it will change and it will go and add as a suffix directly to the word itself. So for now it is a kupi, so kupi word will undergo changes. If it was our pullinga word chashaka, the glass, then the chashaka word will undergo changes. So like that, the words undergo changes, and that's called as vibhakti. So this enam and all, it is showing, probably sometimes it's for the word atma, it is coming for some different words that they have used first the word and then they use this. So each time I'm not going to say, okay, this is a bottle, so I'll say, okay, this is of, or it is of. I'll give the pronoun for it in the next usage. So like that, enam would be used as a pronoun once it is told what they are describing of. Okay, so do visit the nuances of Gita chanting session, wherein we have dealt with vibhaktis gradually in each class. Okay, let's now go for, all the doubts are clear. Anybody has any other doubt?
Were you talking about, in case I can recall my very primary classes Sanskrit, Ramasya Ramayo Ramanam, something like that?
Yes, correct. So that is the Shashti Vibhakti. Yes.
Okay,
So
okay,
Devaha Devau Devaha Pratama
Yeah.
Devam Devo Devan Dvitiya Devena Devabhyam Devaihi Tritiya Devaya
Right.
Devabhyam Devibhyaha Chaturthi Devat
Devasya.
Devabhyam Devibhyaha Panchami Devasya Devayoho Devanam Shashti Deve Devayoho Deveshu Saptami He Deva He Devo He Devaha Sambodha.
I can
So like
recall. I
this.
can recall. Yeah. Thank you.
Good. So this is like the different prepositions going in and same word deva, it is now having different meaning. So that's why one must, if people know Rama Raksha Stotram and all, in that all the vibhaktis that one word Rama as in. Can anybody recollect that shloka where we saw all the vibhaktis in one mantra?
Ramo
Ramo
Rajamani.
Rajamani.
Correct. Exactly. Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. Ramena Bhihata Nishacharachamu. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha. Ramannasti Parayanam Parataram. Ramasya Dasosmyaham. Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me. O Rama Mamudhara. So, verse is memorized. Then all the vibhaktis are coming. Ramo, Sandhi is there, Ramaha. So, next week probably we'll be touching this Sandhi. Ramaha Rajamani. Rama is a Rajamani. Sada Vijayate, may he always win. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. So, Ramam, Dvitiya Vibhakti. रामेणाभिहता निशाचर रामेण तृतीया विभक्ति रामाय तस्मै नमः चतुर्थी विभक्ति रामाय when we use नमः we use चतुर्थी then शिवाय नमः गणेशाय नमः कृष्णाय नमः रामाय नमः चतुर्थी विभक्ति रामाय तस्मः रामात् नास्ति परायणम पंचमी विभक्ति रामस्य दासोऽस्मि अहं रामास I am the dasa Rame Chittalayaha. In Rama, let my chitta hai. O Rama Mamudhara. Oh, Sambodhan. Oh Rama, Mamudhara. You. Oh, Mamudhara is you make better me. Like that we can say. Udhara, how to translate the word. You uplift me. In that way we can use. So, those who want to know more about the verse, open Ramaraksha Stotram, there is this particular verse. Any more questions? All clear? Let us start the new topic. So today we are going to do Yan Sandhi. Let us see how the visibility of the board is going to be. We will see and then y'all please tell me where and how I should keep the board and somehow we will do it, I know, but let's keep the chair of the wing. This is a makeshift class in the dining room. All the learners walk on. Somehow the board has come, but the stand didn't come. Bring it this closer. The visibility is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to start something called Yan Sandhi. Okay. It's visible, right? Anytime and anything is not visible, please stop the class and ask me to change the board or we're going to shift it somewhere or whatever. Okay, so Yan Sandhi, in this particular Sandhi, Yan Varga is Yara, Yava, yeah. Yeah, so in Yava, these are the Yan Varga in according to the Panini Sutra. Okay. So in this particular Sandhi, what's going to happen? These words are going to appear. Now these words are going to appear where? This we will have to see. Our swara we have seen, right? E, E, O, O, R, A, I, O, O. Visible?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So first we had taken this set, and A. After first we took each individual words. If they are coming after themselves, then we have seen Savarna Dirgha happening. Correct? Then we saw after if E comes, U comes, then what happens? For that we called it as a Guna Sandhi. Huh? So first we saw Savarna. Then we saw Guna. After E, what will happen? After O, after O, E comes, what will happen?
A.
A. O.
O.
R.
R.
So this we saw, this has we saw as a Guna Sandhi happened. Okay? Guna happened. Third one we saw, after O, if A or I comes, and if O or O comes, that's all. Then this is I and this is O. Okay? For this we called as Vriddhi Sandhi. Now our swaras are over, correct? After A and A, all the possibilities of the words are over. Now next comes what? Next comes this E or U or Uru. After these three, even Ru we can take L, but because in Gita we don't have much words on this, I have not touched it before also, so I'm not going to touch that one less to learn and it will be easy. So now we focus on these E, U, Ru. Okay. So after this, if any swara comes, any swara coming after E, U, Ru, any swara, except itself, then what will happen? Except itself. Why? After E will come, then what will happen? Then it is going to become Savarana. Then it is going to become Savarana. So except itself, if any swara comes, means after E, whatever other options are there, U comes, A comes, Ru comes, whatever swara comes after E, what would be the change? If after U, any other swara except itself will come, what will be the change? And after Ru, if any other swara comes except itself, what will be the change? This is the Sandhi called as Yan Sandhi, because in Maheshwara Sutras, that Yan is this Ya, Va, Ra, La. So now you know the answer. What is going to come? We will see now with some examples. Ati plus Uttama. Okay. So what is the ending swara over here? E is the swara, correct? Anybody has doubt, please stop the class and ask the doubt first. Don't progress without keeping. So E plus U is going to be the Sandhi over here. Correct? So when E plus U is going to happen, because U is a swara, any other word would come, any other swara except itself would come. U is a swara. So this would change to Y. After E, any other swara comes except itself, then Y is going to replace it. Are we clear? This is one rule. So now we have what? We have our A, we have our plus T, and this E and U have joined to form Y, and the balance is Tam. So now what happens?
Atyuttama.
No, 1 minute. It will not replace the whole thing. This will remain. In place, this E here is going to come. This will not get replaced. Okay? This is not getting replaced. So, A plus 2 plus here. This U will not get replaced. U will remain. Now what happens? A 2 plus here, 2 is half, here is there, U goes and joins this, we get a Atyuttam. So our U is not getting replaced. So after, in this rule, in the yarn, after E, if the swara comes, the E is going to become Y. After E, if the swara comes, E will become Y. I'll give one more example, which will make it clear, which you would probably do it, so that let us say Prati plus Ekam. Oh, sorry. Prati
Pratyekam.
plus
See the board, Varshaji. Yeah. Okay.
Pratyekam.
correct. So this E is there over here of Prati and this A is there. After E, A is coming, E is replaced by Y. So what happens? This pra as it is, the half is there, E has become Y, A is there, A and the come. Pratyekam. Are we clear? Anybody has doubt? So in all our previous things, we saw something plus something is replacing the alphabet. But now we are seeing over here that it is not replacing the whole thing. It is the equation how we have to say is after E, if any swara is coming, then E is getting replaced by the word Y. That other swara is not going to go anywhere. That other swara is going to remain. Condition is E plus any other swara, E is replaced by Y. Half here. Clear? Now let us see another example. I'll keep taking the pictures because the board is a smaller board, so I'll have to erase it too soon. I'm erasing it. We'll see few examples, then it will stay in mind clearly. So we cannot put this as an equation. We have to say after E, any swara comes, E is getting replaced by Y. Okay, Y. Now let us see another example where Madhu plus Arihi. Now what happens? This is our Ukara, correct? Ma plus D plus U plus A plus Rihi. So after U, swara is coming. So this U will get replaced by V. U is getting replaced by V. So what happens now? Our ma is there as it is. Our g is there. This v has come in the C and our ari is there. So g is half. V and a, they are joining to form full verb and then re. Madhvari is the word. Madhvari. Madhvari. So after U, any swara comes except itself, U will get replaced by V. Okay. So now, keeping this in mind, I'll take a picture first and I'll erase. You have to do a lot of erasing today. The board is so small. Never mind, the class is there. Now,
No, doctor, I have not written Madhvari.
Madhvari.
Just
Shall I
write it
write it
again.
again?
हाँ जी.
Madhvari. Madhu plus Ari. Madhvari.
Why it is half the?
Okay. So our ma plus bh plus u was the breakage.
Okay,
Correct?
okay, fine.
After Madhu, Ari is coming. That means after U, A is coming. So U will get replaced by Gu. Her was always half. Her half has come. Ari's A comes and joins V to form V. Her has always remained half only. Are we clear?
Yeah, pretty tough.
This word is intact. So now what happens? Ma, her half, V and A join to form V and Rihi. A has gone from there to V. Are we clear? Any doubts?
Yeah, it is clear.
Yeah. Okay. Please stop the class. Anyone, you don't have to switch on the cam to ask the doubts. Don't be with the doubt. Just unmute and ask. I won't ask you to switch on the cam. Don't feed the doubts first. Okay, shall I erase this? Maybe I'll take a picture of this because it was re-explained. Okay.
Varshaji, can you please go through this alone again?
Yes.
Yeah.
We are seeing Yan Sandhis. Yan is a group of words for Ya, Va, Ra, La according to the Panini's sutras. So this set is called Yan. We know the swaras are A, I, U, R, A, I, O. We saw swaras mixing with itself is Savarna Dirgha. One chance. Second chance, we take A, and after A, if each of these swara comes, what happens we saw? It will change either into Guna Sandhi or Vruddha Sandhi we saw. Fourth Sandhi we are seeing it is Yana Sandhi. All options after the swara A and A, all options are over. Now next set we go. We pick up E. After E or E, if any other swara except itself comes, then the word Ya will happen. This we saw, like Pratyekam, Atyuttamam. Now we go with U. If after U, any other swara comes except itself, then verb will happen.
Okay, I got it.
For that, we took the example Madhu plus Ari. Okay. In Madhu plus Ari, this Madhu, Ma plus Dha plus U is the breakage. Are you agreeing with this much? Did you understand that? Madhu, in the word Madhu, it is Ma plus Dha plus U.
Yes, got it.
Okay. Then comes Ari. So what, according to our formula now is, after U, if any swara comes, U will get replaced by V. Correct? So, this our Madhu word was V plus Dha plus U. After U, we have a swara. So, U got replaced by V. Now, Ma, this Dha is half, this V is half, and this A will come and join to form full V. And Ri is as it is. Madhvarihi. Are we clear?
Yes.
Any doubts?
Thank you, Varshaji. I understood now. Thank you very much.
So, you do one example on your own, then it will confirm that you have understood or not. So, we'll take a picture for this. Please do it in your book. Mastu adhuna. Adhuna means now. Mastu means no. Adhuna. Mastu adhuna. Not now. So once you are done, let just say you have done.
Done, ma'am.
Good. Anybody
Done.
needs done?
Done.
Anybody needs more time? We can see the answer. Okay. Now let us see the answer. Our ma remains as it is. Ma. Sa is half anyways. Our tu is ta plus u. Adhuna remains as it is. After u, swara is there. So this u is going to become zu. Here we have ma as it is, s as it is, t as it is. This verb has come, and our adhuna. Are we all understanding what is happening? Yes? Now we join our ma, our half sa, ta is also half, va is coming, joining with a. So this va has become full, and this dhuna is there. Mastva dhuna. Have you got it? Those who have written, is this how you have written?
Yes.
Mastva dhuna.
Yes.
Now, who has not
Yes.
understood, please let me know.
Akshaji, could you move your board towards the middle? Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah? Anybody has any doubts? We are going to see many more examples. We are still learning our lesson. So I'll click a picture. We'll go for the next one. This is called becoming Yan Sandhi. Yan Varga is coming. Okay. Now let's see another word. Okay. Shall I erase? You can stop me anytime.
Yes.
Those who have not put their cameras on also can participate. I'm not going to switch on the camera, so don't worry. Okay. Now let us go for another word. Pitru. Plus amshaha. So what happens over here? P plus T plus G plus our amshaha is there. So according to the Siyan rule, if after R any other swara is coming, then this is going to be as R. This will change as R. So what has happened? P is over there. So correct. So our P plus T plus R plus amshaha is there. Okay. Now T plus R. How do we write? Tra. And that is going to join. So this is with and then that anuswara is there. So then anuswara will come. Pitramshaha. So this we should know that the plus r is tra with a into it. Tra. And then amshaha. Are we clear? Pitramshaha. Anybody has doubts, please ask.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes.
Varshaji, before
Yeah.
you repeat, I have a quick question for you. So
Yes.
the t plus r, you said, is it going to be a halanta tr then first before we
Yes.
add the
First.
akara?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. All right,
It's a
perfect. Thank
halanta. So when once a only comes into it, then only it becomes tra full. Otherwise, till then it is halanta. Only a swara will give the vyanjana, the bala. Ta and ra are vyanjana. A swara has to come into it to give it strength so that we write it full. So it's going to be tra.
you.
Clear?
Perfect. Yeah, thank you. Perfect.
And then that anuswara. So now those who wanted to, so we are saying Yan Sandhi. And we saw all the options of A. Then the option of E comes. If after E, except itself, if any other swara would come, we saw Y will come over there. After U, any other swara it comes, except itself, V will come over there. And after U, now this is the example. If any other swara except itself comes, R will come over there. So we broke those words. Pitru is P plus Ru plus Amshaha. After Ru, A is coming, a swara is coming. R is going to get replaced by R. Oh, the camera has auto-focused on me. I'll bring this over there. Then P plus T plus R plus Amshaha. T plus R is Tra and Amsha, so that it will become Tram. So Pitram Shaha. Anybody has doubt? Again, some explanation needed. It's not clear. Something is going wrong. Not understood.
One more example, please.
Example I'll give more. The method has been understood.
The
Yeah.
last line, Varshaji, the last line.
Pitram
The above one, the P plus the plus.
P. So what happens? P comes down as it is. P comes down as it is. Instead of R comes down as it is. And our Amsha is there. Correct? So, I'll take a T plus R, V plus R. That halanta is actually not existing. So, T plus R is equal to Tra. Where did I get I got from here. And then that anuswara.
Okay.
So then it will become Tram with that anuswara.
Okay, get it now. Yes, thank you.
Yeah. We will see one more example. But is the mechanism understood? What is happening? After E, swara comes here. After U, swara comes V. After U, swara comes R. Except itself. Because if it will come, then it is going to become savarna. Except itself, any other swara is going to come. This would be the equation. Are we clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now let us see. I'll take a picture of this and erase this so that we go ahead. Now this you have to try on your own.
Varshaji, I have a doubt in the last one only. The Tra and A already added to become a R.
This is our equation, correct?
Hmm?
This is our equation.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Huh? So in a tra, when we ta plus ra is equal to tra.
Yes. Yes.
Where ra is not halanta. Where ra is already. So this is our original Gunitakshara. What is tra? Tra is th plus ra. So when we say ra, the is already into it.
Correct.
Okay. Now this ra is halanta ra.
Yes.
This is going to come over there.
Correct. And it
Anuswar.
becomes a ra. Yeah.
So this will become ram.
Ram it becomes. Okay. Okay.
Correct?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So now we have this ta.
Hmm.
So now what word we will get? Tam.
Okay. Okay. Get
If ta plus ra is tra, then ta plus ram is tam.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
And take a picture of this also. Because later when you see that board, you will understand in your notes. Otherwise it will be forgotten. Anybody still having some small doubt here and there in the brain and thinking that, okay, I will go and back see, not to block the class, something like that. If anybody is feeling, don't feel the guilt. You're not blocking the class. You're clearing your mind. So if it is there, please ask and finish that small doubt somewhere sitting in the corner. Anybody has any doubt? Don't sit in the class without thinking that you'll revisit the class and clear it up. Now, it should be now. In the class, the doubt should clear. When you revise it, it will just firm up the knowledge that you have gathered. Anything? Anybody? Any? No doubts? Amazing. Okay. So now you will know whether you have understood or not when you take up this example. We are going to do it in your book step by step. Matru Archanam. Once you are done, please let me know.
Yeah, done.
Done.
Do we need some more time?
Done.
Good. Now let us bring our mind. Our ma is as it is ma. Our tr is t plus r. And this is our archanam. After r, any swara is coming, the ru is changing to r. Our ma, as it is, our ta, as it is. Now, instead of ru, we have got r, and this our archanam. Okay. R plus a is what? R plus a is
Ra.
So ma plus r plus r plus a is r we got. Okay. And this is as it is. Now this plus r is what?
Tra.
Ma.
Tra.
Tra.
Chan.
Chanam. Matrarchanam. This will be our answer. And everybody got this?
Yes.
Matrarchanam. Anybody has doubt? Matrarchanam.
Why is not
Matrarchanam, matru plus
Matrarchanam?
sorry?
Why is not Matrarchanam? Is it different?
Because there is only a. Over here it is not archanam. So r plus is r.
Board is not visible. Board is not visible.
Board.
Oh.
So is it?
Yeah, you're not clear.
Okay. So our matra is ma plus the plus ru. This much clear.
Yeah.
After ru, is coming, swara is coming, so ru is changing to r. This much is clear.
Yeah.
So our final equation became ma plus th plus r plus archanam. Clear?
Yeah.
This is a plus r is ra. A plus r cannot be ra. A
So there
plus
is no.
r plus r plus ra, r plus ri. So this is r plus r has come over here. Okay, clear so far?
So there is no
Now
article.
this plus r is our regular pra.
Yeah.
So matra. And this charnam is there. Matra chanam.
Yeah.
So there is no scope for a because the word itself it was not archanam, it was archanam. So there was no a swara over there. There was only a hasva swara.
Right. Okay.
Clear?
Okay. I was thinking there is a dirgha santi there.
So this one over here.
Okay.
This over here, because there is only a, this half ra plus a has become full ra over here.
Okay. Thank you.
This full ra is joining to this half ta, so that has become tra. There is no chance for tra over here. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes?
Clear. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So now this l part we are leaving. The l, you know the rule that would be l, but we don't have, though very difficult, but maybe zero. Yeah, music. I thought so you're saying it's difficult to understand, so I just read the pop-up. Thank you, Abhijit. See, now we have taken only half of this, like how we have taken. So now the rule for our today's fourth one we have added Yan Sandhi is after E, any other swara comes, then Y will happen. After U, any other swara comes, U will happen. After R, any other swara comes, L will happen. Okay? And in this, we are not having 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It is not like that. What is the last word? That is getting replaced by half of it. It is going to get replaced. Are we clear? Any doubts? Okay. Now let us do some quick exercises, though the time is, I have not taken a picture of this, sorry. So Yana Varga is coming in Yan Sandhi. Where now we are not saying after A what comes. After A we have finished all the combinations. Now other swaras we are going. After E, after U, after U. So we are seeing the other swaras now. Okay. Now as our regular work, let us see at least 5 examples. Though the time is up, daily Gita people will be waiting, but we'll quickly do this, then everything in the homework.
We are not doing love today?
No, because not much usage is there. But
Okay,
that
okay.
see, daily Gita alarm has buzzed. 6:40. The rule is for the love will happen. But since you have asked, it will confuse, so I have not given. So if this is the swara, So this you Akriti. It's you don't get many words with this. This will confuse. If l is this, the swara, then this is going to get replaced by l.
Okay.
L plus a will be what?
La.
Yeah, without halan.
La.
So, that is the story for this, but it will confuse because this particular swara we don't have much usage, and in Gita it's not coming, so we can avoid this conveniently. So this Sandhi is going to be la kritihi, but don't confuse. Only know the rule that lu will be getting replaced by half lu. But let's not see any examples, and the intention is not for the Sanskrit grammar in a Pandit wise. Only what is necessary for our Gita, that much only we take, rest we drop. Okay, let me see if you have understood or not. Keep doing in your notebook by the time I write some examples for all of you.
Please say the words aloud, Varshaji. Can't see from.
Sure. Okay, I will say. Yadi plus api. Yadi plus api.
Yadyapi. Oh, sorry.
Yadyapi.
Pathanti, don't say the answers. We'll discuss that later. Others have to do it. Pathanti plus atra. Pitru plus avasaha. Guru plus ashtakam. We'll do one more. Some space on my board is there.
What's the third one, Varshaji? The light is flashing
Avishi
on the.
plus Eka. Sorry.
The third one, what is the?
Pitru plus avasaha.
Yes. Yes, Varshaji.
I
Thank
think
you.
because
Thank
the
you.
light is shining into it, right? So sorry for all these inconveniences. We're sitting in our dining room to study like those typical days.
If you keep it on the table, it must be too heavy.
A little higher, Varsha.
This is excellent, Varshaji. Thank you so much. You're taking so much pains for all of this.
I'm also learning, so it helps me.
That's your modesty, Varshaji.
I think we're good. I think everyone wrote it down. Yeah,
Okay.
please. Thank you.
Let's see, maybe a bottle left for us in store. Probably another board I'll put to buy over there. Each place I'll go, I'll buy one board and keep over there, and it will be easier. Singapore, we never face this problem. Singapore, the board is permanently back, kept loaded on the wall, mounted on the wall, and kept. Okay. Once done, let me know.
I think I've sort of
Done.
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 Excellent. Anybody needs time? 1 minute, 2 minutes? Now let us see the answers. Yadi plus api.
Yadyapi.
Yadyapi. How to write dear? So this also
Dear.
we should learn. How to
Dear.
write dear in proper way. So, yeah, dear,
Dear.
dear, yadyapi. Has anybody got any doubts how to write dear? Anybody not got the answer yadyapi? All clear? Yadyapi. Pathanti atra.
Pathantyatra.
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 Atra. So,
Pathantyatra.
pathantyatra. Pathantyatra. Okay. Next. Pitru avasaha.
Pravasaha.
So now Radha Krishnan ji, your doubt will clear over here. Why not you said? Because now the word is there. This we will get as Pitravasaha.
Yeah.
Everybody please unmute and ask if you have doubts. If you don't know how it has come, definitely ask. Don't go home without keeping the doubt. Okay. Guru plus Ashtakam.
Gurvashtakam.
So now
Gurvashtakam.
we know how the word is coming, right? We have said this word so many times. Gurvashtakam, Gurvashtakam. So, go, gur. R goes up, Vashtakam. Anybody not written, anybody who has not written in this format and has a doubt, why did the R go on top? Gur Vashtakam. Any doubts? All clear? Don't feel shy. Please unmute and ask. Okay, good. Intelligent class. Kavishu ekaha.
Kavishvekaha.
Kavishvekaha.
Kavishveka.
Excellent, excellent. Kavishvekaha. Anybody written differently, not like this? Ask your doubts. Kavishvekaha. Kavishvekaha. And hold the board closer so that you can verify your answers and your spellings. Seeing which, if you have doubts, please ask.
Thank you, Varshaji.
All clear? Anybody has written differently? Anybody didn't get such answer but got different?
Gurvastakam, I had a different Varshaji. I didn't do the Dirgaman Va, so I had that word wrong.
Okay, Gurvashtakam you got wrong. Anybody else? Any other? Because I'm going to erase and then deal with that.
So, Varshaji, even we had a before example, right? Matru plus Archanam. In that also, Archanam would be the same way, right? Ar plus Chanam, right? Archanam.
Let's go to R, right? So it will become Kra. So now this Pitru's R has
No,
come.
no.
Ra will go and join A, so Ra has happened. So it has become Pitra. Am I clear?
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
but I was
Yes. Ask.
I
Please
was
ask.
I was asking about Archanam, Varshaji. In the word Archanam, it's also right? A plus plus
Okay.
Chanam.
So Matru Archana. Okay.
Okay.
Matru's ru is there. That ru goes and forms only r. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Archanam's is there. That comes and joins half r. Half r plus full will be what?
R.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Half r and an will become full r. Are we clear?
Uh-huh.
So what is balance then? Ma as it is. Tra has come now. And that chanam.
Oh, matra. Oh. Yeah, I got it.
It has gone. Are we clear?
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll take a picture of this and then we will deal with Guru Ashtaka. Give me a minute. I'm erasing. I hope everybody got the correct spellings.
Yeah.
Let's see. So our Yan Sandhi. 4 are over, 2 more to go. For a 1 month we are learning. 4 weeks have gone, unbelievable. I think Sandhi class has just started. Okay. So our Guru. Guru word is what? Gu plus R plus Gu. Guru plus Ru plus O plus Ashtakam as it is. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Hinduji?
Yes, Varshaji.
This much you got?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. After U, Swara is coming. So O, what will happen? O will come. Are you clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Binduji.
Yeah, yes, Varshaji. Yeah.
Yes. So now what is our equation? Gu plus R plus V plus Ashtakam. Clear?
Yes. Yeah, I
V
got it.
plus is what? Gudit Akshara. V plus is?
Complete work.
V plus will become full verb. Okay? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
This R is half. This Gu will come down as it is. Gu is as it is. This R is half. When half R is there, where do you put it?
On ver.
On verb. Is gone over here. Takam will remain as it is. Correct?
Uh-huh.
Has gone to verb and formed the full verb. So our final answer will be what? This Gu is as it is. R has gone on top. Ver has become full. And Shtakam. Gur Pashtakam.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah, clear, Varshaji. Yep.
Okay. Anybody has a new doubt cropped up because of more explanation? Sometimes you understand. And then somebody else get a doubt and the new explanation starts. So when you hear the new explanation, sometimes what you have understood is all gone and then another confusion starts. So if anybody has a new confusion, new doubt, please ask. Okay. Any doubts? Any queries?
I guess the new doubt now is, Varshaji, you should have how much homework are we doing properly?
How much?
How much homework are we doing properly? How much review are we doing? It's been 1 month since you have been teaching so
So I
painstakingly, which
thought
is
I'm going to
amazing.
spend 1 month for Sandhi class and finish all Sandhis in a month. But the class has progressed. Yes. I didn't think I'm going to do for more than a month. And so the original class is the Gita class. So when the fourth
It
chapter
is
starts,
amazing. It is really amazing. It is so clear. Each one is so clear now. When I go back and listen to your audios and also some of the slokas that you have taught, there is so much clarity now. Why you have been insisting, don't pause here, pause there, etc. So thank you.
thank you. Thank you. I'm also learning. So now we have finished Yan Sandhi. 2 more Sandhis to go for Swara Sandhi. Then we have to have our Vyanjana Sandhi
Vyanjan.
also. This Swara Sandhi is taking more than Vyanjana Sandhi. I don't know, chapter 4. But please keep listening with the first 3 chapters. Otherwise, and go visit your Shabda Rupavali, Dhatu Rupavali. Otherwise, I'll have to start all over again when the chapter 4 starts. So I'm assuming Vibhakti is done. I'm assuming Dhatus are done. So, unless you do your own Ratanam, it's not going to. It will be again starting Vibhakti class by that time, then Sandhi class will be forgotten. So please don't forget anything. You have to revisit again and again to keep it in mind. Okay. So all clear? Shall we end the class? Join Daily Gita. We are already 15 minutes late, I guess. So I think the Daily Gita people are used for my erratic sessions. My God. Doesn't matter if it is moving in that way, we have no control. Okay. So all clear. Everybody is going home with doubts clear, right?
We'll sleep over it.
Yes, please. And the homework will come in a while. And sometimes if examples are not sufficient, I'm moving ahead. Like I moved ahead to the 4th chapter and all. So sometimes if it is not sufficient but necessary to understand the Sandhi, I will go beyond the 3 chapters. Okay. So let us wind up today's session. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone.
Hari Om.
See you all
Maharshi,
next
thank
week
you.
from Pune.
Hari Om.
Hari
Thank you,
Om.
Dr.
Thank
Varsha.
you.
Hari
Thank you
Om.
so
Hari Om.
much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank
Hari
you,
Om,
Sri.
Varshaji. Thank you, Varshaji. Thank you.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you,
Your
Sri.
homework is going to be very tough.
Thank you so much. Hari Om.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari Om, Varsha.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Alam. Thank you. Thank you.